Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting essentials, a polished menu file, and a hosting place to serve it reliably. Once you have a clean PDF or responsive web page, upload it to your hosting, cloud, CMS, or Google Drive so it has a stable URL. Make sure images and fonts are optimized for mobile because visitors use phones. Now, open a QR code generator and choose the URL option. This is the first actionable step to bind your hosted menu to a scannable. Once done with hosting, paste the exact URL into the generator and choose a high error correction level so the code survives wear and tear. You should customize color and optionally add a logo, but keep contrast high so scanners read it reliably. Then export in both vector, SVG, for large prints and PNG at 300/600 dpi for menus and displays. This dual export ensures crisp scanning across sizes. Make sure to test the code with multiple phones before moving on. You deploy the QR codes by printing and placing them where guests naturally look, then test scanning from typical distances and angles. If a scan fails, check contrast, size, and URL redirects, fix redirects, or re-upload the file. Those are common issues. Make sure to include a short instruction line like scan to view menu so users know what to do. Finally, maintain uptime by monitoring the hosted link and keeping backups, because a broken link ruins the experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.